Crazy stuff over there. All right. Well, if you got married perhaps over the weekend, it was probably hopefully inside. Otherwise, it was one sweaty event.
Yeah, but you know, they say you want rain on your wedding day because that's good luck. Have you ever heard that?
I have heard that.
Yeah. In fact, I know in my travels, there are some jewelry stores that say, if it rains on your wedding day, then we'll reimburse you for your engagement rings.
They're taking it serious.
Well, I mean, that's a 1 in a million shot, but still. And we are tracking some more rain out there, folks. As we get into next week, more rain is in the forecast. But first, let's take a look outside to Fayetteville right now. And in Fayetteville today, it was, another warm day with temperatures in the 90s, which wasn't too bad, a degree above average. Record is 104, set way back in that summer of 1954. Meanwhile, in Fort Smith, you can see some high clouds there as well. Fort Smith also today was slightly above average. We talked earlier about, well, we think the days of 100-degree heat may be over as Fort Smith gets to 99 today, flirting right with the 100-degree mark. As we take a look at what's coming up this week, we are watching for more wet weather that could make a return as we get into tomorrow and Tuesday and possibly Wednesday. But that rain and cloud cover and a weak cold front that'll cross the area will help to ease our temperatures just a little. And then as we head toward the end of the week, sunshine will return. Our rain chances basically right around 50–60% or so Monday and Tuesday, and then they start to tail off as we head toward the weekend, which is kind of what everybody wants. I think most of us would rather it rain on Monday than on Saturday. Temperatures right now mostly in the 80s. Garfield, the cooler spot, as well as Winslow, each checking in with a temperature of 79 degrees. Meanwhile, in the River Valley, still quite warm in the 90s and a couple of upper 80s as well. As we go through the rest of the night, we should be very dry for the most part. I'm not buying any of these early sprinkles tomorrow morning. Could it happen? Possibly, but the better chance will be in the afternoon hours. You can see by lunch more widespread activity in the Ouachitas, and then as we go through the day, more and more locations have a better shot at rain, but it'll still be hit and miss and scattered in nature. There could be some embedded heavy downpours in there as well, and that could linger, as I said, into Tuesday as well. Excessive rainfall is certainly a possibility if you get under one of those cells, but not everybody will see the rain, as I said. And about a half inch to or a quarter inch to a half inch on average looks to fall between now and probably about midweek. Mid-70s tonight for our lows, and then tomorrow lower 90s yet again. But cooler air is on the way. You see here Tuesday and Wednesday only into the 80s. We get closer to 90 as we get toward Thursday, and as we get toward next weekend, temperatures start to warm back up toward average. In the River Valley, about the same thing. Impact days Monday and Tuesday. Some leftover sprinkles, Paul, for your hump day, and then the sunshine comes back out and the temperatures start to creep back up for the rest of the week.
All right, Robert. Thanks so much.